This exercise is called a bird dog row pattern. So you're gonna set yourself up in that bird dog position with your wrist stacked below your shoulder, knee stacked below your hip. You're gonna grab that weight, you're gonna push away from the floor with your stabilizing hand. You're gonna inhale, exhale as you bring the dumbbell with your elbow pointing towards your back pocket, and repeat. When you've completed your prescribed amount of reps on the first side, then you switch to the other side. Similar setup, stacking your joints. You're going to inhale, pulling that elbow towards your back pocket.